The Galaxy S24 series is expected to launch in about 2 months according to rumors. Accessory makers are getting ready for the release, and recently a reliable source, Ice Universe, revealed screen protectors designed for the three phones. Looking at the picture, it seems that the upcoming Galaxy S24 phones will look similar to the previous ones. This aligns with leaked mock-up units that suggest a consistent design. The Standard and Plus models have rounded corners, while the Ultra model keeps the sharp corners from its predecessor. Unlike the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't have a curved screen. The Galaxy S23 Ultra already had flatter sides than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you compare the screen protectors for the two, the Galaxy S23 Ultra protector has a slight curve along the side, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra protector doesn't. Additionally, the screen protectors match reports stating that the phones will have even and balanced borders. These borders might be slightly thinner than those on the current generation of phones. Though not very clear in the pictures, the Galaxy S24 seems to have a slightly larger screen and could be taller and slimmer. On the other hand, the other two models are rumored to be a bit thicker than their previous versions. The biggest change is in the Galaxy S. Even though the curved screens look nice, they can be a bit irritating to use because they are more prone to accidental touches. Applying screen protectors on curved screens is also tricky, and using a stylus on them is not as enjoyable. However, curved screens make large phones like the 6.8-inch Galaxy S23 Ultra more comfortable to hold, and they also help hide the side bezels. But sometimes you can't have everything you want. Let's wait and see how well it performs in everyday use when it releases in January 2024. The phone is anticipated to have a titanium frame and a peak brightness of 2,500 nits. There are also rumors that it will swap the current periscope camera with the 48-megapixel telephoto camera that can zoom in 5 times. That concludes this video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future videos. Thank you, and see you next time. Peace out.